everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be doing a get ready with me, and I'm trying out some new products, some first impressions. So not anything too crazy. I'm using some products that I've used before, but also some new products as well. And it is a little bit of like a chit chat style, but if you guys enjoy, let me know if you'd like to see more of these on my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Some of the stuff I'm going to be trying, I got like a new NARS blush, and I also have this little thing I got. It's really interesting. It's got like these little, I actually kind of put a little bit of this on my eyes yesterday, just like with my finger, but it's got like these little shimmery colors, and they kind of like correspond with like the colors of the packaging. And then I also have this lip set that I got from Morphe. The lipstick is in the shade Wifey, and I have used this since getting it, so that won't be a first impression. Then I also have this lip gloss in the shade Rosé, or I'm sorry, Frosé. I think I got another lip gloss, Flower Crown. And then I also got this lip pencil in the shade Backseat Love. I also have this eyebrow pencil from Morphe. I've literally had this since November and I haven't used it, so we might want to play with this. And it's in the shade Mocha. I don't know why I got this. I don't like eyebrow pencils, but it was like $5 or $8 or something. It was like really cheap, so I was like, okay, maybe I'll try this. So I also grabbed this highlighter because it's not the one I typically use, so I thought maybe it'd be fun to try something different in a video. I have used this before, but it's just the MAC Double Gleam Extra Dimension Skin Finish. I don't know if it's currently available anymore. I also have this Morphe palette I bought, and I haven't really used this one either. So I've used it for somebody else's makeup actually, but not my own. So we'll use those. With all that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just going to use my tried and true foundation, the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. I used to use the MAC Studio Fix Fluid every day, but then my skin started clearing up. Well, my skin was really clear, then it started breaking out again recently. But I still like the Giorgio Armani because I like it a little bit lighter weight. Even if some of my breakouts show through, I just don't like my foundation quite as thick as I used to wear it. And I'm going to use the Morphe M439 brush. This one's like so big. I feel like I can just do my foundation so fast. Like it covers so much of my face. So I've been using this one lately. Also, my face is obviously way paler than my neck, but it's because I fake tanned. And after you wash your face like twice, it takes all the fake tan off your face. So yeah. My foundation is obviously going to match my neck, not my face, because I don't want my face to be paler than my neck. How's everybody's school years going? Answer me through the camera. My school year is going okay. I kind of don't really like my classes this year. They're all kind of boring, and I haven't really made any friends in any of my classes. And for concealer, I'm not going to be trying anything new as well. I'm just going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape. So sorry, my brushes are really dirty. Today is Sunday, and I always wash my brushes on Sunday, so it's been like a full week since I've washed my brushes. Sorry about it. Anyways, now I'm just gonna set my face, and I'm gonna be using the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. I cannot use like anything else. You know what? Actually, maybe I will try something else. I do have something else, and I will try something new. Okay, I'll try the Laura Mercier. It's weird that I actually prefer something that's like $3 compared to something that's like $30. But I do have the Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Setting Powder. I bought this one time at Sephora. It had like a really good sale, and I just like, I don't know why, I just never use it. We're all about trying new things in this video, so I will do that. Someone said on my assumptions video that I don't like to try new things, or try new makeup videos, try new products, or try new makeup. And they're not wrong. I don't like to try new things for new makeup. I feel like I'm using this wrong. Don't judge me. I don't usually use loose powders. I'm trying not to get this on my clothes. I guess I'll probably know by the time I'm editing and uploading this, but there's a chance that I might be going to New York. Super excited about it. I feel like it's probably less of a chance than it is more of a chance. Well, I really want it to work out, but I feel like it's probably not. One of my really good friends, Kylie, you guys probably know who she is because she's been in some of my videos, my Chicago vlog specifically. She is going to New York for her 21st birthday to see Fleetwood Mac. She's obsessed with them, and she invited me to go with her. I really hope it works out. because as you guys know, I've talked about it in videos before, New York is like one of the #1 places I want to go to. If it does work out, it'll be really exciting, and I'm gonna have so many vlogs. I'd be there for like, she's going for like 8 days, but I would go for like 6 days probably. Oh, by the way, I never said, but I'm using the Hoola bronzer, and I'm just using this fluffy brush from Morphe. It's the Y3 brush. I used to use like a really precise bronzer blush to like contour, but now I just kind of use this fluffy brush to kind of just bronze up my face rather than contour. I mean, I still do use it kind of here and temples and everything, but I just kind of more like bronze rather than contour. And this is fluffier, so it takes like less time, because instead of just using a small brush and being there forever, it just takes a lot less time. Comment below any suggestions of places in New York, so if I end up going, I know like all the good places to go in LA, like for real, I know all the good places, but I don't know anything about like where to go in New York. Now I've got the base down, so now we can get into all the fun stuff. So NARS blush. I've been like saving all this stuff for the video, like so I could actually do a first impression. You have this blush and you forget your highlighter, you are set, because it adds like, it's got like a nice shimmer in it, so it adds like a highlight naturally because it's got like glitter kind of in it. It's a little bit pinker than what I normally do, but I think if I just add a little bronzer, I think it'll be okay. For the MAC Double Gleam Extra Dimension Skin Finish. Okay, I'm really scared to do the eyebrows with the brow pencil. My eyebrows need plucked so bad. I just keep procrastinating it. I've been so busy and they're just so bad. I don't know if it does match that good. I feel like that color doesn't match. It looks kind of red almost. Okay, BRB, I'm doing my eyebrows with my Anastasia brow duo off camera because I don't like the color of this. Okay, I'm back. Brows done. Look kind of crazy, but I just filled them in with the Anastasia Soft Brown Brow Duo. I'm just gonna go over them with the Glossier Boy Brow in Clear. Sometimes I use the brown one. It really just depends on which one I grab, honestly. Now for the fun part, the eyeshadow. I'm going to use this palette, and this is the 9B one, the Bronze Babe. I got this one at Ulta, so because they sell Morphe at Ulta now. So it looks like that. I'm going to start off with the Hang 10 color. Oh, I forgot to say. Now I'm going to use the Road Trip color. It's just a little bit darker to deepen that up. So now I'm going to take this Sunny's color right here. It's just this kind of light champagne color. And I'm going to put that on the lid. I feel like I need a little Fix Plus because it's kind of not that pigmented. Sorry, it's a little late, but I'm gonna zoom in on you. Zoom you guys in. Then taking this little tiny brush, I'm gonna use that same Sunny's color. And again, using a little Fix Plus because that color just doesn't want to be pigmented. And apply that to the inner corner. Now I'm gonna take that same flat brush I used earlier and put a little bit more Fix Plus on it. This, and I'm just gonna use that first color, the lightest one. It's kind of pink. And I'm gonna put that over the top. I think it actually worked better yesterday when I used my finger to apply it. Just add a little pink, a little shimmer. I'm not gonna do any eyeliner. I use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I'm gonna use this crusty old pair of Queen Bee lashes from Coco Lashes. You can buy them on Lady Moss. And they might look too bad to use, so we're just gonna see. If they look too bad, I'll get a new pair, but if I can make them last for one more day, I'm just gonna make them last for one more day. So eyelashes are on. Use the Coco Lashes Queen Bee. They're like my favorite. They're only like $6 or $7, and I honestly like have used so many lashes, and they're my favorite of all of them. So anyways, those are the ones I used. I have literally used them for like a week or two, and so that's why they look kind of bad, but this is probably my last time using them. Anyways, so moving on to the lips. I'm just going to use, my lips are so chapped. I should put chapstick on, but I'm just so lazy. I don't want to get up. I'm going to use the Morphe Wifey lipstick, and I'm trying to decide if I should put the lip pencil on. I guess we're all about trying new things, so I guess I will. So I'm going to use the Backseat Love lip pencil, and I'm just going to line my lips. Recommend. It's really creamy and it's very matte and really pretty, so I recommend. And I just need to decide if I want to use the Froze or Flower Crown. I guess I'll do Flower Crown because that's the one that actually came with that set. Makeup done. I just need to do my hair. I feel like I just can't pull off lip gloss. I feel like I just look bad with it. So now I'm just gonna go curl my hair, and I will be back with the finished look. So my hair is curled now, and also I just wiped off all of those layers of, like, I had lip liner, lipstick, and lip gloss, and it just seemed like so much. So I wiped all of it off and just put the lip gloss on, and I feel like that looks a lot better. I just didn't like it, all those layers. It just seemed so thick, and it also looked kind of gross. It just looked like a lot of lip product, and I didn't like how it looked. So I feel like this just looks a lot more natural and pretty rather than just like really makeup-y. That is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you'd like to see more get ready with me's on my channel. I know this look wasn't anything groundbreaking or anything too different from anything else I've done, but I hope you guys did enjoy regardless. I'll have everything, I'll have what I'm wearing linked below because I actually really like this outfit. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thumbs up this video if you'd like to see more get ready with me. Make sure to subscribe and turn on my notification bell. Follow me on social media at emilygrace.26 on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.